Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Excel and create a simple table to track costs. Create 3 columns titled Item, Quantity, and Unit Cost. Enter each product name in the Item column and press Enter. Put numeric values in quantity and unit costs as currency, for example 500. Select the unit cost column and apply currency formatting with 2 decimals. Freeze the header row to keep labels visible while you scroll through long lists. In the first total cell, enter a formula to multiply quantity by unit cost. For example, type equals B2 asterisk C2 and press Enter to see the line total. Click the fill handle and drag down to copy the same formula to additional rows quickly. Watch Excel adjust row references automatically for each line. At the bottom of the total column, add equals SUM D2 D100 to calculate a running subtotal. Format that cell as currency, so values show with a $sign. Decide an overhead percentage to allocate to products, for example 25%. In a separate cell, enter the overhead rate as 0.25 and label it overhead percent. Multiply the subtotal by the overhead rate to compute overhead cost, for example equals subtotal cell asterisk overhead percent. Add the overhead cost to subtotal to get the final cost number. Alternatively, use one formula like equals subtotal cell asterisk 1 plus overhead percent to return the combined final cost value directly. Format the final cell in currency for clear presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.